Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Right now, in this particular video, we're going to be discussing something unique. Okay, we're just going to dive into one of the most powerful scalping strategies around. Okay, and we're going to be discussing the Vumanchu Scalping Strategy. Okay, so if you are looking for a high win rate strategy that can help you dominate the market, then you are in the right place. Now, this scalping method is designed to capitalize on short-term price movements, giving you the edge you need to execute profitable trades. Okay, so let's start by adding the Vumanchu indicators that we need for this strategy. All right. So here we go. Let's just bring this down a bit, right, so we can see what we're doing clearly. Now, the Vumanchu scalping strategy is based on precision and speed. Right? This scalping method is designed to capitalize on short-term price movements, giving you the edge you need to execute profitable trades. Unlike other strategies that require you to hold onto positions for hours, the Vumanchu approach is about making quick, high probability trades that are in and out of the market within minutes. Okay, the key to this strategy is finding high conviction entry points and using tools that help you avoid false signals. What makes this strategy unique is its combination of indicators that filter out noise and identify the best entry and exit points. With the Vumanchu scalping strategy, you can take advantage of short-term price fluctuations, maximize your trade frequency, and improve your win rate. Okay, so let's talk about setting up this strategy on your chart. All right, so as you can see, I added the Vumanchu cipher A and the Vumanchu cipher B divergences. So basically, what you have to do is to look for a confluence between both indicators. All right, just ensure that you have a confluence. Basically, the trend should be specified first of all. Make sure that the trend has been specified, whether you are in an uptrend or you're in a downtrend. Identify the trend first. You can see that the Vumanchu cipher A helps with trend identification. When the lines are blue in color, you know, the blue at the top and the white at the bottom, it shows that the trend is bullish. All right, so in that case, you've already identified that the trend is bullish, right? Then you can come down to the cipher B divergences and look for an entry signal of the green dot and also this blue phase. All right, you can look for this blue phase. Ensure that this blue phase has appeared before. It might not appear full like this, but at least let it be that the blue phase has started appearing, confirming the bullish momentum. All right, so once you have noticed that a green dot has appeared, the blue phase have started appearing, then you can look for entry opportunities. Look out for bullish candlestick patterns. When you get a bullish candlestick pattern, for example, this bullish engulfing that we had here, it was a good opportunity to enter a buy trade. Stop loss can be below the recent swing low. Your take profit can actually be around key resistance zones for a buy trade. Ensure you have a good risk to reward ratio. It's very important. All right, then for a sell trade, you have to look out for the Vumanchu cipher A turning to gray color. So the color must be turned to gray, price must be below it. The reverse is just the case, right? Ensure that this blue phase has turned down, dropped below the zero level. All right, and then ensure that you have a red dot. You can see this red dot had formed here before this even happened. All right, so once you have that, look for bearish confirmation candlestick pattern. Once you have confirmed a bearish move, you can go ahead to enter a sell trade. The stop loss can be above the recent swing high, and then your take profits can be around the nearest support zones. Ensure you always have a good risk to reward ratio. It is very, very important, okay, because you might actually do a good analysis, but if you are not able to manage your risk effectively, you might end up losing a lot of money. Okay, so this is a scalping strategy, so you want to pay attention to smaller time frames. All right, remember that scalping requires fast paced entry and exits, right? So you want to focus on small time frames like the 1 minute. You can actually use the 1 minute chart, or the 5 minutes, or the 15 minute charts. Okay, the strategy is designed for quick entries and exits, so you want to make sure that you are trading on time frames that allow for fast price movement. Okay, now while the Vumanchu scalping strategy is incredibly valuable, remember these key tips for maximizing your success. One is risk management. Scalping can be intense, right? So it is crucial to use proper risk management. You can use tight stop losses and always manage your position size to protect your capital. Do not over leverage. Use appropriate lot sizes and use good risk to reward ratios. Minimum risk to reward ratio I recommend is 1:2. Okay, so that even if you have equal number of wins and losses, you'll still be on the winning side. Imagine you lose 5 trades and you win 5 trades consecutively. If you lose 50 pips, let's say you are risking 10 pips per trade. If you lose 50 pips and you are using risk to reward ratio of 1:2, it means that each time you won, what you won was 20 pips. Each time you lost, what you lost was 10 pips. So if you lose 5 trades, it means you lost 50 pips. If you won 5 trades, it means you won 50 times 2, which is 100 pips. So at the end of the day, you won 5 trades, you lost 5 trades, but 100 minus 50 is equals to 50, right? So it means that you still gained 50 pips at the end of the day. So that's the importance of risk to reward ratios. And also, you have to be selective with trades. All right, not every trade is worth trading. Wait for the perfect setup where all indicators align, and avoid chasing the market. All right, avoid chasing the market. Stay focused. Scalping requires your full attention, so make sure that you are focused and ready to take action when a signal appears. All right, so the Vumanchu scalping strategy is an effective strategy that you might want to consider trying out. But when you want to try this indicator out, this strategy out, try it out on the demo account first. Okay, practice on the demo account, and if you get consistent results, you can then proceed to a live account. Okay, if you found this strategy helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips, strategies, and insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.